Alright, video number 3 for the day. Yes, I've been hustling, pushing. Gonna do a lower control arm ball joint replacement on 2010 Equinox. Should be easy. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the back. But those, so I'm gonna set the camera up, pop these wheels loose, jack the car up on jack stands, and go from there. So hopefully 4 or 5 minutes we'll be done. Alright guys, it's on the control arm. You have 2 bolts that go up in here. These are them. They're 15s and the nuts are 18s. Alright, so if you can see up under, where am I? Up under here. It's kind of hard to angle the camera, but these 2 holes up here. Alright, then on the other side, a bolt runs through from the back side over here. It comes through. It's a 22 millimeter. I had to use a crescent wrench, a 22 millimeter socket, and in the ball joint, which is 18. So I had to run to AutoZone to get a hammer and ball joint remover. So we're gonna knock this out, get one done, and I'll switch it over to the other side. Part. So I went to AutoZone, and bought these right here. Will not take the damn ball joint off.
You good now?
Nope, I'm about to try something else and see. Well, boys and girls, Harbor Freight beat AutoZone. They took getting this big ass one versus this little shrimp motherfucker. But I got it out. So, let me go get the other one put in. Jesus. Let's see. Get this one out. All that trouble. What? Okay, make sure you put everything back where it goes. Don't lose any of that stuff.
There's a bunch of stuff in the timer.
Don't lose any of that stuff.
So there are one.
Give me that screwdriver.
Huh?
Give me the screwdriver.
One, two, three, and four. No screwdrivers.
Give me another screwdriver. Out of the box.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Whew. People, this shit is painful. Yeah. Gotta get a bottom piece in now, and we'll go from there. And then we'll be done with one side. Yeah, after 3 hours, we'll do the next one tomorrow. Huh? They will. One day. Huh? Let's hope they're smart and figure it out. No. What? Say hi.
Hello.
So now y'all know who I'm talking to.
My name is Hannah.
It's in there. Let's tell you. Let me tighten this whole thing up and button this job up.
For your shampoo and stuff. You gotta stop wasting it.
Oh, there you have it. Started about 3 and it's now 5:42. No, 2. So it's now 5:42. So 3 hours, man. All because of damn ball joint. When I got the wrong shit from AutoZone. The difference. Harbor Freight, AutoZone. Shit done. It is getting dark, it's getting chilly. I'm gonna finish this other one tomorrow. So there you have it. The pieces in the back, the subframe, 15mm bolt, 18 nut, take those out. The 1/4 subframe, 22 on both ends, take that out. Ball joint is an 18. And it should pop right out, pop right back in. I should have had both though. But hey, anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you as always. And I'm not just saying that because it's what I'm used to. I really appreciate you guys. And I want to say thank you. Thank you. All right, don't forget about the merch. All right, and you want to say bye? I'm gonna let her say bye and close it out. Say thanks for watching.
Watching.
All right.